The Mitumba business is one of the most popular businesses in Kenya today. It attracts many people because it can be started with a small amount of money and has the potential to generate good profits. Across towns, cities, and villages, thousands of Kenyans buy second-hand clothes every day because they are affordable, fashionable, and often of high quality. From students and office workers to parents and business owners, many people prefer Mitumba clothing because it offers excellent value for money. If you are looking for a business that does not require a huge investment, the Mitumba business is worth considering. Many successful entrepreneurs started by selling only a few pieces of clothing and gradually expanded into full shops and wholesale operations. With the right strategy, patience, and commitment, you can build a thriving business that provides a steady source of income. One reason the Mitumba business continues to grow is that fashion trends change quickly. People want new styles regularly, but not everyone can afford expensive brand new clothes. Mitumba fills this gap by providing attractive and affordable alternatives. Many items come from countries in Europe, North America, and Asia, and some are nearly new. This creates a strong demand throughout the year. Before starting, it is important to understand the market. Every area has different customer preferences. In some places, ladies' dresses sell very fast. In others, men's shirts, children's clothes, shoes, or sportswear may be more popular. Spending time observing what customers buy can help you avoid costly mistakes. Visit local markets and pay attention to the clothing categories that attract the most buyers. One of the biggest advantages of the Mitumba business is the flexibility in startup capital. You can start with as little as 2,000 Kenya shillings by purchasing a few carefully selected items. If you have more capital, you can buy larger quantities and increase your earning potential. Some traders start with 5,000 Kenya shillings, while others invest 20,000 Kenya shillings or more. The amount you begin with is less important than how wisely you use it. When starting, many beginners choose to buy selected pieces instead of entire bales. This approach is often called kuchagua. It allows you to handpick clothes that are likely to sell quickly. Although the cost per item is usually higher than buying a bale, the risk is lower because you can inspect the quality before purchasing. This method is ideal for people who are new to the business and still learning customer preferences. As your experience grows, you may decide to purchase full bales. A bale contains many clothing items bundled together. Depending on the category and quality, a bale can cost anywhere from 8,000 Kenya shillings to more than 25,000 Kenya shillings. Buying bales often reduces the cost per item and can increase profit margins. However, there is also greater risk because not every piece may be suitable for sale. Finding reliable suppliers is one of the most important parts of the business. A good supplier can help you access quality stock consistently. Many traders source their products from major markets such as Gikomba in Nairobi, Toy Market, Kangawia in Mombasa, and Kibui Market in Kisumu. These markets are known for their wide selection and competitive prices. When dealing with suppliers, take time to build strong relationships. Trust and consistency matter. Suppliers often reserve their best stock for customers who buy regularly. As your business grows, maintaining good relationships can help you access better products and more favorable pricing. Quality is another critical factor. Customers want clothes that look attractive and last long. Clothing is often categorized into different grades. Cream grade is generally considered the highest quality and contains items that appear almost new. Grade 1 clothing is also popular because it offers good quality at a more affordable price. Lower grades may still be profitable, but often require more sorting and careful selection. After purchasing stock, inspect every item carefully. Separate clothes into different categories based on quality, style, and expected selling price. Check for stains, tears, missing buttons, or damaged zippers. Minor repairs can sometimes increase the value of a garment significantly. Taking time to prepare stock properly creates a better impression on customers. Presentation plays a major role in sales. Clean and neatly arranged clothes attract more buyers. Washing, ironing, and organizing your products can make a significant difference. Customers are often willing to pay more for items that look fresh and ready to wear. A well-presented display creates trust and encourages repeat purchases. Pricing is another area where many beginners struggle. Setting prices too high can drive customers away, while pricing too low can reduce profits. The best approach is to calculate all costs before deciding on a selling price. Consider transport expenses, market fees, packaging costs, and any other operating expenses. Your final price should cover costs while still providing a reasonable profit margin. For example, if a shirt costs 200 Kenya shillings to acquire, and your additional costs amount to 50 Kenya shillings, your total cost becomes 250 Kenya shillings. Selling the shirt for 500 Kenya shillings would provide a profit of 250 Kenya shillings. Premium items may command even higher margins if marketed effectively. Location is another important factor in business success. Some traders operate from permanent shops, while others sell in open-air markets. A good location should have a steady flow of potential customers. Areas near bus stops, markets, schools, colleges, and busy shopping centers often provide excellent opportunities. However, a physical location is no longer the only option. The rise of social media has transformed how Mitumba products are sold. Today, many successful traders generate a large portion of their sales online. Platforms such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok allow sellers to reach customers far beyond their local area. To succeed online, invest time in taking quality photos. Good lighting and clear images help customers see product details. Display clothes neatly and provide accurate descriptions. Mention sizes, colors, brands, and any unique features. The more information you provide, the easier it becomes for customers to make purchasing decisions. Video marketing is particularly effective. Short videos showcasing new arrivals can attract significant attention. Customers enjoy seeing how clothes look when worn or displayed from different angles. Regular posting keeps your audience engaged and encourages repeat visits to your pages. Customer service is often the difference between an average business and an outstanding one. Treat every customer with respect and professionalism. Respond to inquiries promptly and honestly. If a customer has concerns, address them quickly. Happy customers often become repeat buyers and may recommend your business to friends and family. Word-of-mouth marketing remains extremely powerful in Kenya. A satisfied customer can bring several new customers through recommendations. Building a reputation for quality products and excellent service can help your business grow faster than expensive advertising campaigns. As sales increase, record-keeping becomes increasingly important. Many small businesses fail because owners do not track income and expenses properly. Maintain a record of every purchase, sale, and expense. This helps you understand which products are most profitable and where improvements are needed. A simple notebook can work when starting out. As the business grows, you may choose to use spreadsheets or accounting software. The key is consistency. Accurate records help you make informed decisions and plan for future growth. Reinvesting profits is another important principle. Instead of spending all earnings immediately, allocate a portion toward purchasing additional stock. Consistent reinvestment allows the business to expand gradually and sustainably. Many successful traders built large operations by repeatedly reinvesting profits over time. Seasonality can also influence sales. Different clothing categories perform better during certain times of the year. Sweaters and jackets may experience higher demand during colder months, while lighter clothing often sells better during warmer periods. Understanding seasonal trends can help you stock products that customers are actively seeking. Competition in the Mitumba industry is significant, but this should not discourage you. Rather than trying to compete solely on price, focus on providing value. Offer better quality, superior customer service, convenient delivery options, or specialized product categories. Differentiation helps your business stand out. Many entrepreneurs also expand into related products such as handbags, belts, shoes, bedding, and accessories. Diversifying can increase revenue and attract a wider customer base. However, it is usually wise to master one category first before expanding into additional product lines. One common mistake among beginners is buying too much stock too quickly. Large inventory can tie up capital and create storage challenges. Start with manageable quantities and increase purchases gradually as demand becomes clearer. This approach reduces risk and improves cash flow management. Another mistake is ignoring customer feedback. Customers often provide valuable insights into what they want. Listen carefully to their suggestions and preferences. Adapting your stock to meet customer needs can significantly improve sales performance. Legal compliance is also important. Depending on your location and business model, you may need permits from county authorities. Operating legally helps you avoid disruptions and demonstrates professionalism. It also positions your business for future growth. The future of the Mitumba business in Kenya remains promising. Demand for affordable and fashionable clothing continues to grow, and digital platforms have created new opportunities for reaching customers. Entrepreneurs who combine quality products, effective marketing, excellent customer service, and sound financial management are likely to achieve long-term success. Starting a Mitumba business does not require extraordinary skills or massive capital. What matters most is willingness to learn, consistency, and a commitment to serving customers well. Every successful trader started somewhere, often with limited resources and little experience. Through determination and smart decision-making, they transformed small ventures into profitable enterprises. If you are ready to begin your entrepreneurial journey, the Mitumba business offers an excellent opportunity. Start small, learn the market, build relationships with suppliers and customers, and reinvest your profits wisely. Over time, your business can grow from a simple side hustle into a reliable source of income and financial independence. The journey requires effort and patience, but the rewards can be substantial for those who remain committed and focused on delivering value to their customers. /span/p/body